Splish-Splash at the park. This is our summer story. The sun is high in the bright blue sky, and the children from the creator's room are ready for a big adventure. We have our towels and our hats, and we are going to the splash park. Splosh, a giant bucket of water tips over at the top of a tall pole. It sounds like a loud drum. Max waits right underneath, looking up and waiting for the big, cool surprise. Roy finds the misty tunnels. The water tickles his toes as he runs through the cool spray. Catch me if you can, he laughs as he disappears into the clouds of water. Max and Roy find the water cannons near the edge of the pool. They work together to point the nozzles at the sky. Squirt, squirt, squirt. They are making it rain. The slides are very slippery and very fast today. Roy sits at the very top of the yellow slide. He counts to 3, gives a big push, and zooms down into the shallow blue water. Look over there, Max calls out. He points to a tiny, shimmering rainbow dancing in the water droplets. It is like a little bit of magic made of sunshine and splashes. All that splashing and running makes everyone very tired. Roy and Max find a nice, shady spot under a big blue umbrella to sit down and rest. The mushroom fountain is Max's favorite place to play. He stands right inside the curtain of falling water and pretends it is his very own secret water castle. The afternoon sun starts to get sleepy, and the water feels a little cooler. Roy wraps himself in a big, fluffy towel. It feels like a warm, soft hug after a day of playing. It is time to say goodbye to the fountains and the slides. We are tired, but we are very happy. We can't wait to come back again. And that was our summer story.